Araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa pinaka-astig na game show na ngayon nyo lang makikita sa BSIT, ang Networking Family Feud. Ako nga pala si Christian Pastipuson, ang magiging host nyo for today's networking video na maghahatid ng kasiyahan sa pamamagitan ng network connection ngayong araw. Dalawang grupo ng mga IT students ang maglalabanan para mapagtanayan kung sino ang tunay na connected pagdating sa networking. Let's meet our teams. Unahin natin ang Team Rowdy Rock. Sila ang grupo ng mga laging connected kahit walang Wi-Fi. Let's welcome Mark Alfred Cruz as Mark, Ashley Basibas as Ashley, and Vincent Gutierrez as Vince. Ngayon naman, kilalanin natin ang kalaban nila, ang Team Powerpuff, na kahit mawalan ng kuryente, ay backup connection pa rin. Let's welcome Thea Rodis as Thea, Neil Lipahan as Neil, and Althea Basilio as Althea.
พ่อ นี่ตัวอะไรอ่ะ
ผีกระสือลูก มันชอบหากินตอนกลางคืน กินแต่ของเน่าๆเหม็น
พ่อ
ๆกระหังมันจะบินไปบินมา
อยากกินกล้วยอ่ะ
กล้วยนี่กินไม่ได้ของผีตานีเขา
ผีขนุน
คน
อะไร
อืม
พ่อผีฟ้า
อ้าว เป็ด ยืนทำไมเนี่ย คนกำลังกินข้าวอยู่เนี่ย ไปจะหาทำไม
พอสว่างอะไรก็ไม่น่ากลัวหรอก หลอดไฟซิวเนีย
Ngayon na magkakakilala na ang ating teams, oras na para malaman kung sino sa kanila ang pinaka-connected sa kaalaman. Ready na ba kayo? Mark, Thea, Nai. Let's begin round 1. 5 answers ang hinahanap sa board. We ask 100 IT students this first question. How would you best describe what computer networking is?
Networking is the connection or linking of computers to share data or resources.
Services? Tama! Share data and resources. Yan ang ating top answer. 30 points. Hey, Mark, gusto mo mag-play or pass?
Play.
Ashley, it's your turn. How would you best describe what computer networking is?
For securing data,
Services? Wala. Sayang. That's a good point though. Vincent, ikaw naman bro. Bawi-bawi. How would you best describe what computer networking is?
Pwede wired o wireless pagdating sa connection.
Services? Tama! Wired or wireless connections. 22 points na yun. You can link devices through cable or Wi-Fi. Depende sa setup ng network. Now, Mark, back to you.
Parte siya ng isang IT infrastructure.
The services? Tama ulit. Part ng IT. That's 18 points. Networking is a vital part of an organization's IT system. Ito naka-base lahat ng data at system management. Ito na, oras mo na. How would you best describe what computer networking is?
teams can work together in real life kahit magkakalayo.
Oh no, perfect example yung online group projects or cloud systems. Now, let's see what the survey says. Ayun, nasa board. Enables collaboration worth 10 points. Vincent, Dolly Pro. Isa na lang nandito na sa board.
Communication between devices.
And the survey says... Alright, communication between devices. 25 points yun. Networking allows messages, data, and files to move easily between systems.
รู้กินเหล้าเครียดเลิกเหล้าทำงาน ทำงาน ทำงาน เก็บเงิน ทำงาน เก็บเงิน ใช้หนี้ทำงาน เก็บเงิน ได้เรียน มีกิน ช่วยเหลือ ผ่องใส มีรัก อบอุ่น ไม่ป่วย รวยปัญญา พัฒนา ฉลาด ชาติเจริญไปถึงไหนนะก็ไม่รู้แค่เลิกเหล้า
This time, meron tayong 7 answers from the 4. Ashley, Mia, please step forward. We asked 100 IT students the question. Ano ang pinagkaiba ng network computer sa standalone computer?
May centralized management of network computers.
And the survey says, tama, network systems are centralized. Means it uses servers for storing and managing data. Worth 25 points. So Ashley, play or pass? Okay. Okay, Vincent. Ano sa tingin mo ang pinagkaiba ng network computer sa standalone computer?
Mas dependent ang network computers.
Tingnan natin. Pwede! Standalone works independently. Worth 22 points. Pag may errors sa isang standalone computer, di nakakadami ng iba. Okay, Mark. Your turn. Ano ang pinagkaiba ng network computer sa isang standalone computer?
Network computer shared files and resources while standalone cannot.
Ito ay... Tama ulit. It's actually our top answer. 38 points. Actually, ulit.
Standalone computers have distributed processing.
And the survey says... Wala! Distributed processing kasi involves computers na nag-work together over a network. Sorry, dito ulit tayo kay Vincent.
Standalone computers are more private.
Let's check. Ayun, standalone systems are more private, worth 18 points. Walang external access means mas secure, pero less connected. Mark Rocky.
Network system is faster than standalone computers.
And the service is... Wala rin nag-smooth stress. In Harvard, get ready for a possible sleep. Actually, balik tayo sa'yo. Think carefully, ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng network computer sa standalone computer?
Pwede mag-communicate ang mga user sa network systems.
Ito ay... Tama! Networking allows collaboration. That's 29 points. Through messaging, file sharing, and collaboration. Vincent, go ulit. Careful, dalawang strike na kayo.
Standalone computers are cheaper to maintain.
Tingnan natin sa board. Wala! Oras na para mag-steal kayo, team power up.
You
May
got
chance
it.
kayo makuha ang points nila. So, ano ang pinagkaiba ng network computer sa standalone computer?
Network system reports further maintenance and setup.
Services. Tama! Requires them set up 6 points. Kailangan nila ng routers, cables, and configurations para gumana. And with that, Team Power Up, nakakuha kayo ng 140 points. Grabe ang hakbang nila. Pero hindi sila pang answer of the board. At ito ay... Standalone computers are low cost and simple, worth 17 points. Pero wow, Team Powerpuff takes the lead with 148 points, while Team Rowdy Rock is still on 105 points. Pero baka bumayo pa sila sa next round. Let's head to round 3.
Namalay ka na ba ha? Nagsae! Yung mga plato ba? Nahugasan mo na! Nakapaglaba ka na ba? Naku, yung basura ha? Nakalimutan mo ni dapat lalangawin tayo! At saka alas 3 ha? Huwag mong kakalimutan, susundin mo si Junior ha? Siyempre, magmamadyom ako ha? Tandaan mo, dapat mo... At habang sumusundo ka, huwag mong kalimutan mag-withdraw dahil mag-grocery tayo pagdating ko. At huwag mo rin kalimutan diligan ng aking...
Okay guys, round 3 tayo. This one's all about types of networks. Limang sagot lang ang nasa board. Vincent, Althea, hindi ka naman. We asked 105 students this question. Name a type of network and describe what it covers.
LAN, local area network, connects computer in a small area LAN offices.
And the services. Tama! Local area network for LAN. Worth 32 points. Good start. There, play or pass?
Play.
Okay, let's play. Hey, go naman. Name another type of network and describe what it covers.
Metropolitan area network. It connects multiple LAN within a campus or office.
Services. Ayun, man! Metropolitan area network. Okay, po. Okay, deal. Ano naman? Name another type of network and describe what it covers.
One wide area network covers large area even between countries.
Okay, let's see what the survey says. Ayan, one wide area network worth 30 points. Gamit ang mga pangalan ng companies and institutions para i-connect ang branches nila. Okay ba? Clear na yan.
IP address.
Services. Wala. Sorry. IP address kasi kahit isang identification para sa isang device hindi na network. Okay lang yan, Andrea. Bawal ka yan, Andrea. Ikaw na ulit. Okay, Andrea, ikaw ulit.
Internet, global network connecting millions of devices around the world.
Services. Tama! Let's start off answering the word 41 once. Next one. Bill, ikaw ulit. Gusto na lang natitira sa board. Ano kaya yun?
Internet, private internal network that is exclusive to other
Services. Perfect! Internet. Word 70 points. Grabe. Finish. Ang lupit. Team Powerpuff. They cleared the board with 148 points, bringing the total to 296 points. Team Rowdy Rock nag-fight pero sila ang nilipat sa ating past money round.
Mami! Bumili ka ng suka! Yung
suka. Yung ganito.
Ah, dato puti.
Akin yan, Datu Puti!
Galing mo sumapak, man.
Nay! Champion na ako!
Bumili ka ng sukat, champion ka na. Yung mukhasim.
Ang Datu Puti po. May asim pa si Mami.
Gato puti, ito ang champion.
Game para sino ang dalawang players na maglalaro sa pass manual?
Ako at saka si Nick.
Wait, kaya na ang nakasagot habang si Nick ay lalabas ng room. Okay, Thea. Meron kang 25 seconds to answer 5 questions. Magsisimula ang timer once I finish the first question. Pwede ka mag-pass para balikan ang mga katanungan. Ready ka na ba?
Ready.
Okay. Name one common network device used to connect computers.
Modem.
Real-life example of a wide area network.
Internet.
Halimbawa ng isang wireless network connection.
Bluetooth.
One situation where networking makes life easier.
Work from home.
Give one example of a network device used at home.
Printer.
Okay, good job, Thea. Let's reveal your points. Ang modem ay nakakuha ng 15 points. Ang internet ay nakakuha ng 60 points.
Yes.
Actually, our top. Bluetooth naman ay nakakuha ng 5 points. Work from home, 30 points. Printer naman ay nakakuha ng 3 points. That totals to 113 points. Neil, it's your turn. Thea scored 130 points. You need 87 more to win the game. Meron kang 25 seconds since some answers might already be taken. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay.
Sure.
Name one common network device used to connect computers.
Router.
One real-life example of a wide area network.
Internet.
Isa pa.
Banking network.
Halimbawa ng isang wireless network connection.
Mobile data.
One situation where networking makes life easier.
Mobile phone.
Give one example of a network device.
Laptop.
Okay, let's reveal your points. Router got 30 points. Actually, our top answer. Banking network got 20 points. Mobile data at 25 points. Ang top answer natin dito actually ay Wi-Fi. Cloud backup is 2 points. Ang top answer natin dito ay online class. At ang laptop naman ay 27 points. At ang top answer dito ay smartphone. And that totals to 104 points. That gives you a final total of 217 points.
Last Vita.
Dahil susiyak ang inyong puso, isang kahilingan.
Sports car! Yung red!